Welcome everyone back to another video. Today we're going to be showing off some basics of a World Edit add-on. Now this is not an official review, so I'm not going to be really including anything. I will be doing a official review hopefully in the future. This is just to cover some basics like wand, copy, cut, paste, brush, undo, and redo. So to get started, you're going to first need to tag yourself with World Edit. This will give you World Edit permissions. Now you can move forward with the other commands. First command we're going to be looking at is wand, and this will just simply give you a wooden axe. The wooden axe is the wand for every World Edit selection that you're going to be doing. You can alternatively do it with commands using 1 and 2 or pause 1 and pause 2, but we are only going to be looking at the wand. So first things first, copy. To copy something, simply select an area with right click and select the highest point with crouching and right click. This will appear our selection. And now we're ready to copy. So I'm going to stand right here and type copy. Now that we've done that, we have copied it. Copying is relative to your position, so we are 2 blocks away. We're going to go over here. This is 2 blocks away. Paste. And it's 2 blocks away. All the contents should still stay. And all stays. Next one we're going to want to look at is cut. For example, I'm going to be using this house. Look at the bottom, shift, right click, and go to your top, your highest point, and then right click. Now we have the whole thing made. And I want it to appear right with me, so I'm going to stand right here, copy, nope, cut this time. It removes the whole thing, and let's say we want it over here this time. And when we paste, it now pastes right here. Everything stays, my don't touch, my not a chest with a chest anvil, and my nice house is still there. Moving on, we have brush. Now to use brushes, you're going to want to get yourself a shuffle, and you're going to be binding the brush to this shovel. So, first things first, we're going to type brush, and what was asked of me is to show you spear and smooth, so let's show you those. Spear, and then, so it's brush, the shape you want it to be, spear, and your material. Let's do stone, cobblestone, and stone 4. So that should be normal smooth stone, cobblestone, and I believe andesite. The next one is your size. You can have 1 through 6. We're going to be going with 6. Now it is brushed. The brush is binded. If we right click, oh, it's not andesite, it's diorite. Close enough. Now we have our brush. Every time we click, for chicken, it will appear there. Alright. Next thing we're going to be looking at is the other brush, which is smooth. That is what is asked of me. So, brush, smooth, how big you want it to be, and how many iterations. This can go through 1 to 10. That's how many times it tries to smooth it. We're going to go with a 5. So it will smooth in a radius of 6 5 times. Simple. And it even kept our chicken. Yum. Now, we're going to be moving on to undo and redo. First things first is undo. We've undid something. If we spam this, you'll notice in the background, it all starts to change back. Now you can only queue up so many undos. We couldn't get the rest of it finished. And our chicken is back. Redo is the exact same. It just redoes everything. And you can only store so many redos. I know I said I wasn't going to show the commands one, but I'm going to be showing it now. So, if you don't like using the axe, or you don't have a block to place, you can type pause 1, or not pause 1, pause 1, like that, or 1, both work, and pause 2, or 2. They both work like that, perfectly fine. In the case you have something like this, I'm going to get my wand back out and quickly show you actually a new command. Up 1, places the glass block. If for some reason you have terrain and you want to copy it and place it somewhere and merge it with other terrain, you can copy -A. That will copy all the blocks except for air blocks. So now, since we're 1 block up here, we can now paste this again. And it has pasted, and it did not get rid of any of the other blocks. If there's a block already there, it will not remove it. It's a bit weird because of how I copied it, but that's fine. Alright, that is all. I hope you guys have a great day. This was for the Enchant Network builders, and see you guys later.